Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Today's date is January 6, 2026. I'm your host, bringing you a 2-minute rundown of the key market action from yesterday and what it means for investors. Let's kick things off with a quick recap. U.S. stocks posted moderate gains to start the week. The Dow Jones climbed nearly 200 points, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also ended up in the green. Markets stayed calm despite a dramatic U.S. military strike in Venezuela, a major political shock that rippled through global trading desks. Coming up, we'll break down why oil prices fell even as energy stocks soared, what sent crypto markets surging, and how defense stocks reacted to increased geopolitical tension. Our first story goes straight to the headlines. The U.S. strike on Venezuela sent shockwaves through global markets. However, oil traders shrugged off the risk. Crude prices actually dropped about 1%, opening near $60 a barrel, as investors bet Venezuela's immediate production, less than 1% of global supply, won't make a big dent. The main takeaway? Despite headlines, energy markets remain focused on fundamentals like global inventory levels and supply, not just geopolitical drama. Yet, oil majors Chevron, ExxonMobil, and SLB saw their shares surge. Chevron picked up more than 4%, with ExxonMobil also up strong, even as oil stayed flat. What's behind this disconnect? Investors are betting on potential U.S. policy changes towards Venezuela, which could open up new business for these giants. It's a good reminder, company-specific catalysts can outshine even global macro moves. Next up, global defense stocks rocketed. After the U.S. military operation, European and Asian arms manufacturers, like Germany's Rheinmetall, jumped between 3 and 5%. Defense and aerospace ETFs saw heavy volume. The market's signaling heightened geopolitical risk may mean more spending on military and security infrastructure worldwide, offering both risk and opportunity for investors. Turning to crypto, Bitcoin delivered a breakout rally, pushing above $92,000 for the first time. That helped send crypto-exposed equities like Coinbase and mining stocks sharply higher. Coinbase rose more than 4% after Goldman Sachs upgraded it to buy with a new price target of $303, reflecting Wall Street's confidence in crypto trading demand. Meanwhile, AI-linked Bitcoin miners like Cypher, Hive, and Marathon posted gains of 2 to 6% pre-market, riding the surge in digital assets. Finally, investors are waiting for key labor market data later this week. Despite the Venezuela uncertainty, market volatility stayed subdued as traders focused on upcoming U.S. jobs numbers, potentially the next big catalyst for interest rates and stock valuations. To recap, the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all ended higher yesterday, shrugging off geopolitical drama. Energy and defense stocks ran on policy headlines, Bitcoin and crypto shares led risk assets, while oil prices stayed resiliently flat. Keep an eye this week on U.S. employment data, Fed commentary, and any new developments out of Venezuela, which could set the tone for the next leg in the market. Thanks for tuning in to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily 2-minute briefing and follow us online for more market insights. See you tomorrow.